5 completely free video editing programs that you can use to create content easily and simply. Whether you're just starting out in this field or even if you're looking for options that can help you make fully professional projects for free. So with that said, let's get started with the first option called Clipchamp. For those who know a bit about it, this option comes directly with Windows, meaning we can edit online but also directly on our computer. If we look for it, as you can see, I'm searching right here in Windows, and the Microsoft Clipchamp app pops up right away. This app is completely free and allows us to do a ton of things at no cost. As I mentioned earlier, we have the option to edit online, meaning from the website, and not just from a PC, but also from a cell phone or even a laptop, whatever you call it, or even an iPad or tablet. We can do this from their website as well as from the app they have for different devices. As you can see, we have various templates here that we can use. One of the reasons people use this program a lot is because of its artificial intelligence, especially when it comes to audio. If we come over here to the left, we can click on Record and Create, and we can do this. We can record our screen and our camera directly from the app, just our camera, just our screen, or our audio. So if we want to do a voiceover or something similar, and directly what I mentioned about the artificial intelligence, which is the text-to-speech feature where you can come here, put any text in the bottom part, and select voices directly from different countries, even a specific voice if we want female or male voices. Then you just put the text here, and there's no payment limit. The only limit is 10 minutes. But what we can do is if the text we put here exceeds 10 minutes, we can insert that text and then generate another audio that doesn't exceed 10 minutes. And that way we can create videos longer than 10 minutes. Besides that, we obviously have the basic options of traditional editors, which is here in the workspace where you can insert your clips, hit play, and edit completely online. We have tons of templates geared towards social media like YouTube, Instagram, and more. Once you finish editing, you just hit export, and the only downside is that we won't be able to export in 4K, but we can export in 1080p, which is really good quality and basically what most platforms use today. If you need 4K, then you might want to consider the next option we're going to talk about, which is CapCut. You probably already know about this option, and it's an excellent free choice for PC because it was originally designed for mobile devices, but is now also available in a desktop version. Just like the previous one, we can edit completely online from our browser, but we can also use it offline. Download the app directly to our computer and be able to edit from there. CapCut is famous for those coming from mobile because that's where most videos for TikTok are edited. CapCut comes from TikTok's company, meaning the templates you see here are directly linked to the trends currently on TikTok. So if you want to edit videos for that social network, this is probably a preferred method. TikTok is known for subtitles. If we come here to create a new video and insert a video, we select the canvas format, 16:9 or formats for TikTok and Instagram. In our case, we're going to choose the one for Instagram and LinkedIn. Here, you can add videos and then go to the subtitles section where we can add automatic subtitles regardless of the language. The truth is, most languages are available here, including Spanish. You just have to search for it and hit generate, and it will automatically create them in the video. That's one of the reasons people use this tool. It also has a built-in music library. To export, click here to download, or export directly to TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram. You can do this directly, or if you don't want to do it that way and need the video to send it through options that pop up here, like WhatsApp or Telegram, you can just download it. You can download in 4K, unlike Clipchamp. Choose high quality, and FPS depends on your video format. You would just hit export. The downside is online processing can be slow, especially in 4K. So I recommend that you only do this when it's really a professional project for clients. For personal or social media, 1080p or lower is fine. Third is DaVinci Resolve, the most professional free option. Others are free but basic, suitable for easy video editing. The good thing about this is that being online, it can sometimes take quite a while if we demand a lot from it, such as in K and in high quality. So I recommend that you only do this when they are really professional projects for clients. But if it is something more personal or you need for social networks, then you can do it perfectly in 1080 and even in P. In third place, we have DaVinci Resolve, and of all options discussed, this is the most professional one and free. Others are free but basic, suitable for easy video editing. DaVinci Resolve is used for movies and professional projects, especially for color. Its strongest tool is the color editing panel, akin to editing Hollywood movies. But here comes DaVinci Resolve, which is even a platform that's been used to edit movies and many highly professional projects, especially focused on color. That's like the strongest tool of this video editor, which has a panel for color editing as if we were literally editing movies for Hollywood. I mean, it's top-notch. It's very advanced, but that doesn't mean it's the only option. Obviously, we have more things here. We can edit with multiple users, but I think that's a paid feature. Overall, it meets the functions of any video editor, but in a slightly more advanced way, precisely because this program is designed for professionals. It even has artificial intelligence, and makes it really easy to create effects if you have some prior knowledge. As you can see, you can download it completely for free, but what happens is, it's going to have limitations. But if you're not someone who needs complex features, you won't need DaVinci Resolve Studio, which costs $295. You can use the basic version of DaVinci Resolve without the Studio label, which still gives you flexibility and helps you edit well. It's fairly easy to use, although if you don't know much about editing programs, I recommend you start with this. If you get used to a different interface and more basic features, transitioning to this program will be harder, so I'd suggest starting with this, even if you have no editing knowledge, and watch tutorials on how each option works. You can download it for free. Then we have another program that might be unfamiliar, but it works like DaVinci. We have a paid version called Video Editor Pro, but the program is called BSDC. You can download it. It also has advanced features, but this is the pro version. We have a free version that doesn't have as many features, but it competes well against Kaku and Clipchamp. Some might find those programs don't work or don't like them, and you can use options like this one, which is good. Of course, it's limited somewhat since it doesn't have all the options the pro version offers, but you have to understand it's a free version. Finally, we have the last program called HitFilm. This one also has advanced options and is useful, but it also has a paid version and a free version. The free version is good. Let's check the pricing, but we won't focus on that because there's a price of $7.99 for creators, meaning for content creators, which doesn't seem expensive considering it's monthly, but you pay it with an annual bill. But let's not worry about that. What interests us is the free version. The limitation we'll have is exporting videos only in HD, meaning full HD, which is 1080p. So we could use the other programs or pay for the subscription here. But it gives us 360 video effects, audio effects, and keyframe options for movement and zooming. It also has transitions and libraries, but not as extensive as other platforms like CapCut or Clipchamp, which offer more songs, sounds, sound effects, and templates. Here, it only brings these options. But we can use this program and have unlimited exports or renderings. We won't have any limitations like doing 3 videos and then not being able to do more. So this is a good option because in some other platforms like Filmora, there are limitations. They give us a free version, but it comes with a watermark and isn't nice. And that's all. I hope you liked this video. We'll see each other next time, and I'll leave all the links in the video description so you can check them out. Also, on my website, I'll leave a list of editing programs in case new ones come out in the future, so you can keep exploring. See you next time. Thanks for watching this video. Bye. So we could use the other programs, or just pay for the subscription here. But as you can see, it directly gives us 360-degree video effects, audio blur effects, and keyframing options for movement and zooming in on something specific we want. It also has transitions and libraries, but not as extensive as other platforms like CapCut or even Clipchamp, which offer more songs, sounds, sound effects, and templates. Here, it only brings these options, but the good thing is that we can use this program and have unlimited exports or renderings. We won't have any limitations like doing 3 videos and then not being able to do more. So this is a really good option because in some other platforms or programs that I won't name in this video, like Filmora, which many people use, we do have limitations. They give us a free version, but honestly, it comes with a watermark and isn't as nice, among other things. And that's all. I hope you liked this video. We'll see each other next time, and I'll leave all the links in the video description so you can check them out. Also, on my website, I'll leave a list of editing programs in case new ones come out in the future, so you can keep exploring. See you next time. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.